Good morning, everybody. David Mazzola here at Johnson Ford in New Richmond, Wisconsin. Today I'm bringing you a 2020 Ford Super Duty F-250 extended cab with the long box. It is stock number 919393. If you want to go to johnsonmotors.com and check out all the photos, specs, history on it, or give me a call at 715-293-3189. David Mazzola, again at Johnson Ford here in New Richmond. Let's talk about the truck. We got the 6-inch wide running boards on it, off-road tires. You have the magnetic gray color with the long box. Now this does have the power sliding rear window. It does have the rear view camera, max tow package, 7-pin, 4-pin, locking full-size tire. It does have the heavy-duty spray and bed liner already applied. Go ahead and set up your gooseneck. Reverse sensing system. Vehicle only has 21,000 miles on it. Inside, you're going to have your power driver's seat, adjustable pedals, 8-inch LCD touchscreen. Go ahead and Bluetooth your devices. Up front you have heated driver and passenger seat. That console does flip forward to give you even more passenger space. Seats in the back flip up to give you more cargo space. If you're in the market for a big rig with a 7.3 liter gas engine, give us a call here at Johnson Motors or myself, David Mazzola. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more inventory.